Have you ever wondered how some companies manage to do more with less, delivering faster service, scaling efficiently, and keeping customers satisfied around the clock? The secret often lies in business automation. Imagine a customer support team that no longer answers every query manually. Instead, a smart chatbot handles routine questions, processes requests instantly, and routes issues to the right department. The outcome? Faster response times, happier customers, and a team free to focus on strategic tasks. Business automation is more than a tech trend. It's a transformative approach that reduces repetitive work, boosts productivity, and empowers businesses to focus on what really drives growth and innovation. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to define business automation and understand its purpose. Identify the benefits automation brings across different industries. Explore the scope and influence of automation in modern businesses. What is business automation? Business automation involves the use of technology to execute tasks or processes with minimal human intervention. It enables organizations to perform repetitive tasks faster and with greater accuracy, freeing up employees to focus on high-value activities. Think about payroll processing. With automation, a system calculates salaries, deducts taxes, and deposits payments, all without manual effort. This precision not only saves time, but also reduces errors. Key characteristics of automation. Efficiency. Streamlines workflows by eliminating manual bottlenecks. Consistency. Ensures tasks are performed the same way each time, reducing errors. Scalability. Handles growing volumes of work without added resources. Benefits of business automation. Enhanced productivity. Automation accelerates processes, allowing teams to achieve more in less time. Cost savings. Automating tasks reduces the need for extensive manual labor, cutting operational costs. Improved accuracy. Systems operate without human fatigue or errors, ensuring higher reliability. Greater employee satisfaction. Automation removes repetitive tasks, enabling employees to focus on more meaningful work. Story: The Overwhelmed Accountant. Lisa, an accountant at a mid-sized firm, spent hours every week manually consolidating financial reports. Her company introduced an automated reporting system, which completed the task in minutes. Lisa used her newfound time to analyze trends and provide strategic advice to the leadership team. Moral of the story: automation doesn't replace employees, it empowers them to contribute more strategically. The scope of business automation. Automation spans multiple industries and functions. Retail, managing inventory and personalized marketing campaigns. Healthcare, scheduling appointments and processing patient data. Manufacturing, using robotics for production and quality checks. Human resources, streamlining recruitment and payroll management. Why automation is a game changer. Automation not only saves time and money, but also enhances the customer experience. Businesses that leverage automation can respond to market demands faster, innovate more effectively, and remain competitive. Practical benefits: improved decision-making through real-time data analysis, faster response times to customer inquiries, increased capacity for scaling operations without proportional cost increases. Automation has become a cornerstone of modern business operations. It enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and allows businesses to scale effortlessly. Whether in customer service, manufacturing, or finance, automation transforms how companies operate and compete. Remember, automation is not just about replacing manual effort. It's about empowering organizations to work smarter. As we progress through this course, you will discover how to identify automation opportunities, implement solutions, and measure their success.